Cooling is one of those technologies we rarely think about until we realize how much of modern life depends on it. From pharmaceutical lyophilization, blood plasma freezing, and ultra-low temperature storage, to semiconductor manufacturing, food processing, chemical production, and cold chain logistics, refrigeration quietly supports industries that keep our world moving every day. There is one common factor: reliable temperature control. On this World Refrigeration Day, we would like to thank all engineers, technicians, customers, partners, and industry professionals who contribute to making these critical processes possible. At MIRAI INTEX, we are proud to be part of this global community by delivering refrigeration solutions that use only natural air. Happy World Refrigeration Day.